WooCommerce Memberships allows you to create and manage memberships to give exclusive access to content and products to users who purchase the membership plan. But when you want to assign the membership plan to many users, we'll show you a quick way where you can quickly edit the users in a CSV and then import those changes into WordPress. This comes in handy when you have an employee who doesn't know how to use WordPress but knows how to use Excel. You'll simply need to edit the CSV file and then import the CSV into WordPress yourself. To do this, you'll need the WooCommerce Memberships plugin and the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. After installing both plugins and creating your membership plans with WooCommerce Memberships, you should prepare the plans you're going to import using a CSV like this. As you can see, there is some basic information that your CSV needs to contain for the import to be successful. For example, the CSV needs at least the ID, email, membership name, membership status, membership start date, and membership end date columns. Remember that there may be users with more than one active membership plan. In that case, the spreadsheet will create a set of columns for each membership plan and distinguish them using a number. When everything is ready, you'll need to save the file if working with Excel, but if you're working with Google Sheets, you'll have to download the file. Now let's import this CSV file using the import tool. Here we have to select the source of the document. In this case, the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, we'll select to update existing items, and ignore new items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered correctly. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Finally, you'll see a preview of how the user plans will look once they are imported to WordPress. If everything is okay, click here and your import process will start. Once the import process has been completed, you'll see all the information imported in the spreadsheet. Definitely, WP Sheet Editor allows you to easily edit user plans and hundreds of user profiles. You no longer have to worry about opening and editing user profiles one by one because you can import changes for hundreds of users with a few clicks. Remember that in the video description you'll find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.